G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here. Well, I'm on the ground, grovelling around underneath the back of the AL960B lathe. Hello Woogs. Hello. Hello. And the goal here is to drill the hole to suit the exhaust fan. Because I've got the exhaust fan all cabled up. And I figure to put it into this wall behind me. So I've got a drill bit, I've got a drill, I've got some pens, I've got that. Let's see if we can get this sorted. Here, the material here is Villa board over the top of foam. So I've got to go through a layer of Villa board first, then I need to go through 75mm of foam, and then on the other side there's another layer of Villa board. And yeah, here we go. I think we're going to go somewhere like that, probably down here. So in order to achieve that, that's our holes. Time for a quick test fire. Hey, look, it works. And finally, just a bit of a smoke test to see if we are actually drawing all the smoke away. So doubling up with a sage smudge stick to get rid of any evil bozos still hanging around. But no, there's definitely a good draw towards that vent, which means any of the black smelly smoky stuff won't smoke out the workshop any longer. Thanks for watching, hope to catch you next time. Please like, share and subscribe.